Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching my channel, giving me ideas. So today we are making a really nice layered cake with walnuts. Let's do it together. So really we don't need even that many ingredients. All we need for the dough is about 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, about 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of walnut syrup. You can also use honey if you would like to. When you use honey for this, it actually comes out to be very chewy. If you like that, you can do that. But with this, it's just really fluffy. Also, we are going to need 1 teaspoon baking powder and about 1 cup chopped walnuts. Let's put them together. So we start with the eggs. We are going to beat the eggs with the mixer. Let's add the walnut syrup. I forgot that it's 3. It should be 3, not 4. And we will add 1 teaspoon of baking soda as well. And keep beating it. Second cup of flour, I just put a little bit first just to see how it goes, then add a little bit more. So there you go, it's gotta be very viscous. So the last but not least is our walnuts. We are just adding them into our dough and mixing it together with a spatula. So there you go. Easy, nice, fast. Now time to cook. Now it's time to cook our cake. We are going to divide this into 3 layers, and I like to put it on aluminum foil because later it's easy to just take it out. This one is ready, goes to the oven. Don't worry about the corners because we will be cutting them to put it on the top, okay? So it's be careful not to burn it. It bakes really fast, less than about 5 minutes. So first one came out, second one is going in. So second one is ready as well. Here you go. And the third one goes into the oven. Okay, all 3 layers are baked. As you can see, it comes out like really easy. So we'll just leave them to cool and get to our cream. So all we need for the cream is 200 grams of butter, Dulce De Leche, about 300 milligrams. It's basically sweetened condensed milk, the boiled version, okay? And I like to add a little bit of cognac or anything else you would have at home. Gives a little bit flavor. My butter is really cold, so I'm gonna let it to melt a little bit before I mix it. Melt it! Now we start mixing it Dulce De Leche, 1 spoon at a time. Don't put all of it at once. That's it. My favorite thing. And adding 1 tablespoon of this delicious drink. Cream is ready as well. Okay, now it's time to work with our layers a little bit. What I'm going to do, I'm just gonna cut the corners and just put it together, because later we're gonna make crumbs and put it on top of our cake. So the crumbs are ready. Now we're gonna just take this out. As you can see, easily comes out. Okay, from each side. Now we're gonna add the crumbs. So our final step is to shred the chocolate on top of it. So my cake is ready. Usually you would put it into the refrigerator for about half an hour and then cut it, but because we are eager to have a cup of tea, I'm gonna start cutting it. Scrumptious. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share as well. See you next time.